In Litain, Kericho, we installed plastic mulch on a chili farm to improve crop growth and make farming easier for the farmer. This mulch plays several important roles in supporting the chili crop. First, by covering the soil, it reduces water evaporation. This means the soil stays moist for longer and the farmer does not have to irrigate as often. Second, it warms up the soil, creating a friendlier environment for the chilies to grow quickly and achieve faster maturity. Warmer soils also encourage stronger root development, which results in healthier plants. Another major benefit of plastic mulch is weed control. Because the soil is covered, weeds have less room to grow. This greatly reduces the amount of labor needed for constant weeding, saving the farmer both time and money. With fewer weeds competing for nutrients and moisture, the chilies are able to grow more vigorously and deliver better yields. Overall, the installation of plastic mulch provides multiple advantages: better water management, less labor, improved crop health, and higher production. Through such practical and effective solutions, Grekkon continues to empower farmers with modern farming practices that make agriculture more productive and profitable.